What's that huge white thing? Is that wax? I think that's wax. If so, that's a lot. Hello, beautiful. Today I have an exciting video to share with you. You are definitely not gonna want to miss this video. I have never done a video like this before. It's definitely not beauty or makeup related. I mean, I guess it could kind of be beauty related, I guess. Do you want to know what it is? Come a little bit closer. A little bit closer. A little bit closer. Come on. Don't be shy. It's an air cleaning device tool. In case you didn't hear me, I'm going to be reviewing the Axel Glade air cleaning device tool. This is a company that created this innovative air cleaning device tool, in that it's not like the conventional cotton swab. It is designed to clean your ear in the most effective way by using a microscope. It's basically like a really miniature rubber. Okay, I don't know how to say rubber utensil that you stick in your ear, and the microscope allows you to see the earwax in your ear so that you can effectively remove it. Because apparently with a cotton swab, the earwax will push into your ear. I low-key kind of wish I didn't have to review it for you guys because it just seems gross and I don't really want to show people my earwax. If you are interested in this really neat tool, I mean, if you could just look at it right here, it looks pretty cool, right? If you are interested in this ear cleaning device, stay tuned. If you have difficulty with hearing, if you know that you have like a large buildup of wax in your ears and you want to remove that the most efficient, the best way possible, definitely stay tuned because we're gonna use it, we're gonna review it, we're gonna play around with it, we're gonna look at it, we're gonna talk about it. So yeah, keep watching. I love making beauty product review videos for you, and I also love trying out new products like this thing. So if you are also into that, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if at any point you find that you're enjoying this video or that it's like helping you out in any way, shape, or form, make sure to like it because that's really gonna help my channel and it's gonna help spread it out to people who need to see this. Before I hop into this video, I just want to say that I have actually gone to the doctors to get earwax removed. It was not planned. It's just the doctor was checking my ears and was like, you have a lot of buildup of wax. So she went ahead and cleared it out for me. It was like this like suction tube that sucked out the earwax. Literally after that, my hearing was so amplified. I remember sitting in my car and I was like, wow, the music is so loud. It's like right in my ear. Moral of the story is, if you have bad hearing, it very much could be because you have too much wax buildup in your ears. And the second thing I wanted to share with you is that my doctor said that cotton swabs are not designed for your ears. And I said, what? No pun intended. Okay, I really didn't mean to make that as a joke. Gosh, I'm so weird. She said you're not supposed to use cotton swabs. And I'm like, that's all we ever used. My mom would sometimes put lotion when we were growing up. She would put lotion around the cotton swab and clean our ears out that way. And then, I know this might sound gross, but sometimes I just like lick the tip of the cotton swab and then I clean my ear with it. Personally, it's not gross to me because it's my own saliva and people also kiss you in your ears, so don't come at me. I still do it because it just feels good, and honestly, sometimes I just need something to like clean my ear. But apparently cotton swabs are not good for your ears because they can push the earwax back into your ears. That is what my doctor told me. She said never put those things in your ears. Now leading on to my third piece of advice, not piece of advice, but my third like fact or whatever, is people have different types of earwax. Some people have dry earwax, and then some people have wet earwax where it's like sticky and goopy. Personally, I feel like the wet and sticky goopy earwax is the one that people are dying to clean out of their ears because if you have dry earwax, it's probably not going to be as bothersome. Another interesting fact is that the type of earwax you have can also depend on your ethnicity. I think Black people tend to have more stickier earwax, whereas Asian people tend to have drier earwax. That definitely applies to me because me being half Black, I have the sticky kind, and then my boyfriend who is Asian, he has the drier kind. Just wanted to share those little pieces of tips, facts with you in case you didn't know. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up with you on camera. Before I hop into this video, I do want to say that this product was sent to me in exchange for my review. This is what it looks like. We're gonna open it up. Why does it feel like I'm getting a new iPhone? This is really cool though. When I saw the packaging, I was like, dang, this looks so cool. Whoa, wow. This is very interesting. I was reading reviews and someone said they just keep it on their desk. Yeah, it's insane. It feels like a hardcore, serious piece of technology. This is heavy. Now I'm gonna open up this pack here. Let's see what this is all about. Whoa, there's a lot of stuff in here. So we've got this. This looks so intense. Not gonna lie, this looks a little scary. Don't use the product while in motion. So download the app. Remove the cap to turn on the device. I probably should have watched a review video before I did this. I'm just gonna go ahead and start scraping. Oh my god, that's so much. There's actually a lot of earwax on here. I would show you the paper towel, but I don't know how much of this like you guys want to see, because personally, if it's up to me, I don't want to see this. It's really gross. I don't even want to look at like my own earwax. So we're gonna go in with the right ear. This is gonna be cool. I want to see how much is in here. Whoa. It's crazy how much hair we have in our ears. We need to... Ew. You do the right ear first and just...
What's that for?
There's a microphone.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
What's that?
I don't know.
What's that huge white thing? Is that wax? I think that's wax. That's a lot. Oh my god, if that's wax, maybe you have to go to the doctors and tell them to remove that.
Yeah, let me check that other ear. Maybe both ears are like that.
Whoa, I saw something. Whoa, that was a little chunk. Whoa. Oh my gosh. It looks bigger in the microscope, huh?
Yeah.
And then when you look at it, it's all tiny. If you don't want to pick it out, you should go to the doctors and ask them to clean your ears.
They do that?
Yeah.
You had them clean them before?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
They did that for you?
Yeah. Does the doctor usually check your ears when you go to for a physical exam?
No.
Oh, really? Mine did. Yeah, see how it's moving when you press on it? That's wax, and that is huge. So one of my first reviews, I'll say, I mean, this is cool. I love how much wax is getting out of my ears. I just kind of wish the camera was a little bit better. I definitely feel like my hearing is just a little bit better, and I feel like I'm gonna have to keep going in here, and it's gonna be a while before I get all of the wax out. You know how good it feels to use a cotton swab? Like, it kind of feels like that. Not gonna lie, if I was a doctor, I think I wouldn't mind doing this, because when you get the wax out, it's like so satisfying.